Good morning. Vlog ko na din itong pagbabanda ko, sayang. Save ko sa YouTube para makatipid ng memory ng phone. Biyahe na ako papunta sa kabanda ko.
To decide that the things that I tried were in my life just to get high on. When I sit alone, come get a little known, but I need more than myself this time. Step from the road to the sea to the sky, and I do believe that we rely on. When I lay it on, come get to play it on, all my life to sacrifice. Hey, oh, listen what I say, oh, I got your head. Now listen what I say, oh, oh. When will I know that I really can go to the well once more? Time to decide on when it's killing me. When will I really see all that I need to look inside? Come to believe that I better not leave before I get my chance to ride. When it's killing me.
Hello guys, I just arrived here in my band's place, so we're just preparing for our home practice, if I may say, house jam. That one is Chopper. I got Mayor right there, and KJR. Hello. We're a small time band based here in the Philippines. Right now, we're here in Tansa, Cavite. Yeah.
Up! Ayan, commercial. Nice. Ayan na. Sige. 1, 2.